Hello dear students, this is Vivek Bhairav and you are watching video lecture on impact of monsoon and characteristics of monsoon. Dear students, it is the chapter of climate of Bharat and now we are going to discuss topic impact of monsoon. As all of you understand, monsoon is a unifying bond in our country. It connects all the part of our Bharat. So, our farmers eagerly waiting this monsoon. So, as of you know, in the month of May and June, farmers are ready. They are going to ready and in of their field and waiting for rainfall. So, the impact of monsoon, if there is the less amount of monsoon in particular area, drought condition developed. Particularly each and every year in Rajasthan and some part of Gujarat, western Rajasthan and some part of Gujarat, you can see there is the drought condition. Not only that, but also in the part of Pune, in the part of Mirzapur, all that region is developed with drought condition because it comes in the rain shadow zone. Not only that, but also in when there is a condition of El Nino, in entire Bharat receives less amount of monsoon. So, if there is less amount of monsoon, all of you understand these days at present also the dependency on monsoon of Indians farmer is high. Almost 60% of the population, farmers population is depends on monsoon. So it is good if good monsoon, but there is no good amount of rainfall in our country. It is quite difficult to cultivate our crops. Especially kharif crops takes huge amount of rain water. That's why it is very essential for us. So yes, impact of monsoon in our Bharat you can understand simply for the purpose of agriculture. But since in the month of May, April, May, scorching sun you all are experiencing. So, due to this rainfall, the weather conditions is become very good for us, and definitely we find pleasant weather after rainfall. Some parts of the area where we receive like the western margin of our Bharat, that means Thar desert, very less amount of rainfall. So people lived in that area is in the live in the difficulty. Okay, so now if you go through the characteristics of monsoon, characteristic feature of monsoon, definitely it is another way of impact of monsoon. So let me discuss some characteristic feature of monsoon. First and foremost, all of you understand distribution of rainfall is actually different in the different area. That means if you go through the entire Bharat, suppose this is the western margin, western coast, and this is the part of northeast. This is the part of northeast. So this area is full of rainfall, more than 200 degrees centimeter. Sorry, degree not 200 centimeter rainfall, more than 200 centimeter rainfall. Entire area receives. So distribution of rainfall in this area is high, but the part of northern plain 100 to between 100 to 200 centimeter of rainfall. This is the part, desert part receives 15 centimeter area. So distribution is actually uneven. This part, Deccan Plateau part, 50 to 100 centimeter of rainfall occurs in this area. So distribution is definitely uneven of this monsoon. So it is important characteristic feature of our monsoon. Erratic in nature. Why erratic in nature? Somewhere you find huge amount of rainfall due to this flood condition developed over there. And another area you can see what? You can see there is less amount of rainfall, so drought conditions there. So that means erratic in nature. Erratic in nature. So this is also important feature of our monsoon. Another orographic in nature. Rainfall in Bharat generally is orographic in nature. What is orographic? Suppose, as all of you understand, this is Western Ghat, series of mountain you can find in this area. From Annamalai, Nilgiri to this Mahabaleshwar area. You can see here Agastya Malai to this Mahabaleshwar area. So, dear students, suppose this is mountain area, and as all of you know, trade winds of this Arabian Sea branch heated this mountain range. When this trade winds, monsoon, moisture laden winds comes this area, due to the collision of that condensation occurs, and this area receives high amount of rainfall, and this area is called windward side. What side? Windward side. And opposite to that area, that means contrary to that area, is leeward side. Leeward side. Okay. So leeward side and windward side. Leeward side is also called rain shadow area. So across the Bharat, opposite to this Western Ghat, receives 50 to 75 centimeter of rainfall in this area, and the facing side of this Western Ghat in Arabian Sea branch coastal area receives high amount of rainfall. So most of the cases in our Bharat, orographic rainfall. So nature of rainfall in our Bharat is what? Orographic in nature. Now it guides our agriculture. Definitely, as I told you in the very start, it's our agriculture. Our agriculture totally depends on it. Okay. So dear students, guide agriculture more than 60%, almost 60% you can say, almost 60% of the population of farmer depends on monsoon rainfall. So if there is no monsoon in our area, it is quite difficult for yielding agriculture or cultivate our crops. Okay. So definitely it is also important features. Dear students, it is your homework, write what is the characteristic feature of our monsoon. Okay. So I hope this topic you have understood. Thank you so much for watching this video.